Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites, an RDP server with a static or reserved public IP and adequate bandwidth. Make sure you control a dedicated Facebook account tied to a verified payment method. Next, secure both ends. Enable two-factor authentication on Facebook and restrict RDP access to your IP range. Once done, create a separate Windows user profile for monetization activities so sessions stay isolated. Make sure system time and region match the Facebook account to avoid geofencing flags. Now configure the RDP instance and Facebook workspace. Start by installing a clean browser build, removing extra extensions, and clearing caches to present a consistent fingerprint. Set display to 16:9 and limit peripheral sharing. Only enable clipboard or drive mapping if needed for uploads. Turning them off reduces leak risk. Log into Facebook on that profile, enroll in Creator Studio or Monetization Manager, and claim the pages, videos, or assets you control. This reduces account linking problems and keeps finish by verifying payout details and submitting any required tax forms so payments can flow. Once the RDP-hosted account is active, monitor session logs, watch for IP drift, and check Facebook policy notices daily to catch issues early. Schedule automated backups of content and credentials, and limit concurrent sessions to avoid suspicious activity. If Facebook blocks access or flags monetization, immediately rotate to the known good IP. Reconfirm identity documentation and open support cases. Make sure to preserve logs to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.